Do you like moon? Yeah, everyone likes moon, but everyone don't teach how to capture moon on your cameras. And today I am going to tell you how to capture moon using your DSLR cameras. Go ahead and watch this video. Do hear my words carefully. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. The first thing which I am using is the Canon 200D Mark II, and with the kit lens of 55-50. Okay, I think the birds are there. Okay, let's check out the mode of the camera. First you have to set it. It will be at auto. Okay, you have to set it to manual mode. As you can see right over here, I have set the camera to manual mode. Let me start my phone. It's at manual mode, and do note down the settings what I am doing right over here. First let us go to ISO. ISO has to be at 800, and aperture has to be at the lowest as possible. Okay, then let's move to shutter speed. It has to be around 1 by 1000 to 1 by 1600. This is a perfect setting to capture the moon. Okay, let's try to capture the moon. I think you can see this. Okay, I will go on zooming it. It doesn't loses any of the quality. And if you have doubt on which setting, tap on info button, and you can see shutter speed is 1 by 1600 and ISO is 800. Okay, this is the best way to capture the moon with the kit lens, that is 55-250. And don't forget to zoom in to the moon as much as possible. Now I am going to shoot and change the shutter speed to 1 by 1000, and let's see how it works. Yeah, here you go. This is the final result. I think you can see it now. This is the final result, how the moon can be seen in camera at shutter speed of 1 by 1000. I think 1 by 1600 is best. I think you all have understood how to capture moon, and the settings will be in the description. Do check out the description, and do follow me on social medias. Link will be in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.